Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Today I am keeping it simple, what stands out, what to check, and who the tech gadget is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Developed with Fanatic, designed in the heat of competition. From mic tuning to sound isolation and fit, Fanatics. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Superior sound inside, built with the same driver unit as the acclaimed Sony WH-1000XM6, the H9 II delivers. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Active noise cancellation, switch seamlessly between active noise cancelling and transparency mode for awareness. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple, check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict, the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.